Get ready, because today, you're about to discover 20 kitchen gadgets so amazing, you'll literally want to buy them right now. These tools are clever, practical, and so satisfying to use that you won't believe they actually exist. And trust me, gadget number 20 is absolutely insane. Stick around till the end, hit like, subscribe, and remember, all the links are in the description. Let's jump right in. This blender feels like the overachiever of the on-the-go world. You hit the button, and it blends like it's plugged into a wall, even though it's running on a powerful rechargeable battery. Ice, frozen fruit, protein shakes, it takes them all without acting offended. Great for the gym, the car, or that picnic where nobody brought actual utensils. The 22-ounce vessel loads right on the base, and the one-button system keeps things simple: blend or pulse. Hold for a second, and it runs a perfect 30-second cycle, so you don't stand there guessing. And the best part? You blend, sip, and move on with your life using the same vessel. No extra cups, no mess, no, why am I washing dishes again? The materials feel premium: thick Triton, stainless steel blades, strong gearing, built for thousands of blends. Not just a cute Instagram moment. You can grab it for $91.2. This fire pit is for people who love a good fire but hate smelling like one. The smokeless design uses double-wall airflow to burn cleaner and hotter, so you get the cozy flames without the campfire perfume that lasts 3 days. It lights fast, stays powerful, and handles wood logs up to 18 inches like it's nothing. The airflow system is smart. Vents at the bottom pull in oxygen, curved walls push heat upward, and suddenly, your backyard feels way more expensive than it actually is. Despite being built from stainless steel with a heat-resistant finish, it's surprisingly portable. At about 22 pounds with an integrated handle, you can take it to the patio, the campsite, or wherever your friends decide to gather last minute. Cleanup is almost too easy. Lift the ashtray, dump it, and done. No scraping, no shoveling, no regretting your life choices. If you want stylish warmth without the smoke show, you can pick it up for $179.99. Tixix 5-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer. This air fryer is like having a tiny smart oven on your counter. With 5 one-touch modes, you can air fry, bake, re-crisp, max crisp, or keep food warm using up to 90% less oil, so wings, fries, and snacks come out crispy without feeling heavy. The cool part is the 2 glass bowls, a 4-quart one for family meals and a 6-cup one for solo dinners, late-night cravings, or quick sides. Both are heat-resistant, transparent, and dishwasher safe, and the glass can go straight to the table as a serving dish. The non-slip base and silicone mat protect your countertop while everything cooks. When you finish, the smaller bowl nests inside the larger one, and the heating unit stacks on top, so the whole setup takes very little space in a cabinet or on a shelf. You can grab it for $119.99. This warming mat is the kind of gadget that quietly becomes the hero of every gathering. It keeps dishes warm and ready without drying them out, and the large 26 by 15-inch surface holds multiple plates or trays at once. With 6 temperature levels and 6 timer settings, you can warm appetizers, main dishes, or desserts exactly the way you want, without constant checking or adjusting. It also has a child lock, which is perfect when curious hands wander near the table. The heat-resistant pad protects your countertop and adds stability, so everything stays safe while the food stays warm. Cleanup is simple. Just wipe it down, roll up the cord, and store it until the next party. And speaking of parties, this mat works for everything. Buffets, family gatherings, game nights, or even regular weekday dinners when you want food to stay hot without rushing everyone to the table. You can pick it up for $49.99. This ice cream maker is basically a dessert factory disguised as a countertop gadget. With 12 one-touch programs, you can whip up ice cream, gelato, sorbet, frozen yogurt, milkshakes, and more without needing any culinary skills. Just choose a mode and let it work. The best part? It delivers frozen treats in 2 to 5 minutes, and the built-in self-cleaning function means you're not stuck scrubbing bowls afterward. The mix-in feature lets you drop in nuts, chocolate, or fruit, and the respin technology keeps everything smooth and creamy instead of icy. You control the ingredients, so healthier, low-sugar, or vegan options are easy. It also comes with 2 one-pint containers, so the fun doesn't stop at one batch. You can get it for $179.99. This slow cooker feels like it was built for people who cook big and hate stress. The 10-quart capacity handles family dinners, parties, meal prep, basically anything that feeds 8 to 10 people without you juggling pots on the stove. The standout feature is the ready-by function. You choose when you want the meal finished, and it figures out when to start. No math, no guessing, no, oops, dinner is 2 hours early. It just works. With 8 cooking modes, it replaces a stack of appliances. Slow cook, steam, grill, sauté, bake, or just keep food warm. This thing adapts to whatever recipe you throw at it. The ceramic-coated pot and grill pan are PFOA-free and naturally non-stick. And the steaming plate, silicone spoon, and tongs come included, so you can start cooking immediately. If you want a modern, gift-worthy cooker that handles real-life schedules, you can grab it for $199.99. This slow cooker feels like it was built for people who cook big and hate stress. The 10-quart capacity handles family dinners, parties, meal prep, basically anything that feeds 8 to 10 people without you juggling pots on the stove. The standout feature is the Ready By function. You choose when you want the meal finished, and it figures out when to start. No math, no guessing, no, oops, dinner is 2 hours early. It just works. With 8 cooking modes, it replaces a stack of appliances. Slow cook, steam, grill, sauté, bake, or just keep food warm. This thing adapts to whatever recipe you throw at it. The ceramic-coated pot and grill pan are PFOA-free and naturally non-stick. And the steaming plate, silicone spoon, and tongs come included, so you can start cooking immediately. If you want a modern, gift-worthy cooker that handles real-life schedules, you can grab it for $199.99. The Ascent X5 is one of those blenders that walks into your kitchen and immediately acts like it's in charge. With 10 automated programs, smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, nut butters, frappes, even spice grinding, it handles every texture you can think of without you babysitting the process. The touchscreen controls feel modern, and the digital timer keeps you from guessing and praying when blending manually. The self-cleaning program is basically magic. Add warm water and soap, press a button, and 60 seconds later, the job is done. No disassembling, no scrubbing under the blade, no regrets. Its stainless steel blades and 48-ounce container give you professional power in a size perfect for small to medium batches. The on-screen tamper indicator is surprisingly helpful, telling you exactly when to use the tamper so thick blends keep moving instead of becoming a stubborn smoothie brick. Need more time? Every program can be extended by 15 seconds. And thanks to self-detect technology, the base auto-adjusts when you switch containers or attachments. You can grab it for $699.95. This waffle maker is basically designed for people who love waffles but hate cleaning up after them. The wraparound moat catches any extra batter before it spills, drips, burns, or starts smoking, like you accidentally summoned the breakfast gods. It keeps everything neat so you can cook without stress. With 7 shade settings, you get waffles exactly how you like them. Light and fluffy, golden and crisp, or as dark as my morning mood. The locking latch helps keep things sealed, so batter stays where it belongs. Recipe options are endless. Classic Belgian waffles, chocolate, banana nut, cinnamon roll waffles, even waffle pizza if you're feeling bold. It's one of those appliances that quietly becomes a go-to for breakfast, brunch, snacks, and late-night experiments. Cleanup is painless thanks to the non-stick plates. Just wipe them down and keep moving. Storage is simple too. You can stand it upright in a cabinet so it doesn't eat your kitchen space. It's CETL approved, built with safety tech, and comes with a 1-year assurance. You can pick it up for $26.92. This machine is for people who want good coffee fast without pretending they're baristas at 6 in the morning. The Vertuo Pot Plus makes 5, 8, or 12-ounce coffees, plus single or double espressos, all with one touch. Hot or iced, it doesn't judge your caffeine choices. Its compact size is perfect for small counters or crowded kitchens, and the side water tank is easy to remove and refill without wrestling the machine. It heats up in about 30 seconds and even gives you a descaling alert so you don't forget basic machine hygiene. Nespresso's capsule lineup is huge. Over 40 blends from bold and intense to smooth and mellow. Plus limited editions for people who like to collect flavors like trading cards. You get a complimentary starter pack so you can find your favorites right away. The capsules are fully recyclable through Nespresso's free recycling program, which is a nice touch if you care about sustainability. You can pick it up for $99. This gadget is the answer to every tortilla disaster you've ever had. The CRIMPiT sealer keeps your fillings exactly where they belong, inside the tortilla, not on your plate, your shirt, or the floor. Just place a tortilla, load your fillings, microwave for 20 seconds, fold, crimp, and you've got a perfectly sealed pocket ready to heat or eat cold. It works with 10 to 12-inch flour tortillas, making it great for tacos, quesadillas, burritos, and all the random snack creations you come up with when hungry. Air fryer, oven, grill, or pan, heat it however you like. Kids love it, adults love it, and it turns leftovers into something way more exciting. Chocolate and banana? Sure. Cheese and beans? Go for it. Last night's curry? Absolutely. It's BPA-free, dishwasher safe. You can grab it for $19.99. This kettle feels like it wants to upgrade your entire hot drink routine. It boils water fast, around 3 minutes, so you're never waiting long for tea, coffee, or that "I need something warm right now" moment. With 7 temperature presets, you can heat water exactly how each drink prefers it, from delicate teas at 160 to a full boil at 212. The tricolor LED lights are surprisingly helpful. White for standby, red for heating, and green when it's keeping your water warm or steeping. And thanks to the removable tea infuser, you can brew a whole pot of loose-leaf tea without extra tools. It's cordless when lifted from the base, making it easy to pour anywhere, and the 360 swivel design lets you grab it from any angle. The fully removable lid also makes filling and cleaning way easier than typical kettles. You can pick it up for $27.99. This mug warmer is for people who refuse to drink lukewarm coffee ever again. With 3 temperature settings, 130, 150, and 176 degrees Fahrenheit, you can keep your drink exactly how you like it, instead of reheating it 5 times a day. The 5.2-inch heating panel is large enough for almost any cup, even ones that aren't perfectly flat on the bottom. The LED display shows the temperature clearly, so you don't accidentally grab a cup that's hotter than your morning attitude. Safety features are solid: waterproof heating plate, UL certification, and a default 4-hour auto shutoff. If you want more control, you can set the timer anywhere from 2 to 12 hours. It's a great desk accessory and an easy gift for anyone who lives on coffee. You can grab it for $19.99. This popcorn maker is for anyone who wants movie night popcorn without the guilt, or the burnt bag smell that haunts your microwave for a week. The Dash Fresh Pop uses hot air instead of oil, so the popcorn comes out light, fluffy, and surprisingly addictive. Just pour in the kernels, hit the switch, and watch it pop like it's showing off. It comes with a measuring cup that doubles as a butter melting tray, which is dangerously convenient. Pour the melted butter over the fresh popcorn, and suddenly your living room feels like a movie theater, minus the $12 ticket. The 16-cup capacity is great for families, parties, or solo snackers who refuse to share. The compact design fits easily on any countertop, and the non-slip feet keep it steady while it does its thing. You also get a recipe guide for when you want to experiment beyond classic buttered popcorn. Sweet, spicy, cheesy, whatever mood you're in. You can grab it for $19.99. This Immersion blender feels like it was designed for people who want power, control, and zero kitchen mess. America's Test Kitchen highly recommends it, mostly because the grip is comfortable and the trigger-style button actually makes sense. You press gently for a rough chop, push harder for silky blends. No speed dials, no guessing, just instinct. The active blade technology is impressive. The blade moves up and down as it spins, giving you way more cutting surface and faster results. Even tough ingredients don't stand a chance against the 500-watt motor. Splash control keeps the chaos inside the pot instead of all over your shirt, and the reduced suction makes it easier to maneuver without feeling like the blender is trying to escape. The PowerBell Plus system adds an extra milling blade for larger chunks, and the Easy Click Plus attachments let you switch between blending, chopping, or whisking in seconds. You can grab it for $109.95. The next mug is for anyone who's tired of their coffee going from perfect to "why is this cold?" in 10 minutes. With 3 temperature settings, warm at 130, hot at 140, and piping at 150, you keep your drink exactly how you like it for hours. No reheating, no microwaving, no disappointment. The smart tech is simple but effective. The long-lasting battery maintains the temperature you choose, and the LED lights show you both battery level and current heat. The spill-resistant lid keeps your drink contained, and the charging coaster makes powering it up as easy as setting it down. There's no app, no pairing, no passwords, just a button on the mug that switches it on and sets the temperature in seconds. It makes an easy gift for anyone who lives on coffee or tea, parents, teachers, coworkers, or that friend who reheats their mug 6 times a day. The packaging is fully recyclable and support is based in the USA. You can pick it up for $99.95. These Scrub Daddy sponges look cheerful, but they clean like they're on a mission. The Flex Texture foam changes based on water temperature. Cold water makes it firm for tough scrubbing, warm water softens it for gentle cleaning. It's like having 2 tools in one without ever switching sponges. They're scratch-free on more than a dozen surfaces: glass, stainless steel, cast iron, non-stick pans, chrome, even leather. You can use them on dishes, your car, bathroom tiles, anywhere grime thinks it can hide. They're also odor-resistant when properly maintained, staying fresh for weeks instead of turning into that sponge you pretend not to smell. And because each sponge is a different color, you can assign them to specific rooms to keep things hygienic. The ergonomic design actually matters too. The eyes give you grip, and the smile cleans both sides of utensils at once, which is weirdly satisfying. You can grab the 3-pack for $13.99. This compact Levoit purifier may look small, but it works like it's trying to clean the whole house. The pre-filter and main filter capture lint, hair, pet dander, and tiny airborne pollutants, while the activated carbon layer helps neutralize odors from cooking, pets, or smoke. You notice the difference fast. Breathing feels lighter, and the room smells fresher. It's quiet enough for bedrooms and includes an auto-off display so the lights won't bother you at night. You can also add a few drops of your favorite scent to the fragrance sponge for calming aromatherapy while it runs. Levoit is one of the top air purifier brands globally, and replacement filters are easy to find. You can grab it for $49.99. This knife set looks classy, but it cuts like it has something to prove. Made with German stainless steel, each blade is ultra-sharp, full tang, and built to resist rust, even after hundreds of dishwasher cycles. The acacia woodblock includes a built-in sharpener, so your knives stay ready without extra tools cluttering your kitchen. The set covers everything: chef's knife, santoku, bread knife, paring knife, steak knives, shears. Every task has its perfect match. The ergonomic handles feel great whether your hands are big, small, left-handed, or right-handed. It's stylish enough for gifting and tough enough for daily cooking. You can grab it for $45.10. This Umite Chef Bowl set feels like the upgrade every kitchen secretly needs. With 5 stainless steel bowls, from 1.5 quarts up to 5 quarts, you're covered for mixing, prepping, serving, or storing leftovers. Each bowl comes with an airtight BPA-free lid, so you can keep food fresh without spills, leaks, or playing find the right container ever again. The real magic is the 3 grater attachments. Slice, shred, or grate directly into the bowl without making a mess or dirtying a cutting board. The 4-quart bowl even has a removable center lid so you can add ingredients or attach a blender without splashing everything in sight. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls firmly in place, even when you're mixing with enthusiasm. They won't scratch marble or quartz counters either. When you're done, the bowls nest neatly to save cabinet space, and the stainless steel interior wipes clean easily. The bowls are dishwasher safe, though it's best to hand wash the lids. You can grab the full set for $29.99,